Hi everybody. Okay, it is Thursday morning. I believe it's the November 14th. Anyways, I'm just on my way to work, and I tried to find a spot where you could see the snow on the trees, but I almost got stuck in the subdivision. So anyways, we had a dump of snow last night, and it's a winter wonderland for sure. Anyways, it's Donna from Ontario, from Sunshine LeClaire. Just going to grab my glasses because Debbie from the Canadian Crocheter tagged me for these 20 questions. So I just thought, if I don't do it now, it's going to probably be 3 weeks before I do it. So I just pulled over, and I'll just quickly go over the 20 questions. So I've already been to the drive-thru and got my Tim Hortons coffee to bring to work. Okay, so 20 questions. What does your name mean? My name, Donna. I believe in Italian, it's Italian for lady. That's what I've heard before. Where am I from? Canadian, from Ontario. Where were you born? I was born in a small little gold mining town up northern Ontario. I only lived there for 2 years before we moved to a more metropolitan center. What would your parents have named you if you had been a boy? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm Donna. Maybe I would have been Donald. I don't know. I'll have to ask her though. That's a good question. What is your biggest accomplishment? Oh boy, yikes! That's other than birthing my child. I suppose most people probably say their kids. I don't know. There's been a lot of things through my 57 years. Maybe I'd say putting myself through additional schooling when I was a single mother for a while and opening a retail store. So maybe that. That's a really good question though. What is my eye color? It's hazel. What is your favorite candle scent? I love citrus scents. Can you cook? Wow, that depends. I can cook a little bit. I'm just really wanting to learn more about cooking now. I can cook, but just regular stuff, like nothing fancy. But I've just been learning to cook meatless dishes and more healthy dishes. What is good about your life right now? Right now, my life is great. Love my life. What is good is, well, now I have 2 little grandkids. So I guess I would say that's right now what's really good about my life. What is your sign? I'm a Leo. I'm an August baby. What scares you about aging? Oh my God. I don't know if it scares me, but I hate the thought of not being able to move around normal. Like, my mom and dad are pretty old right now. They're in their 80s and they have mobility issues, and that's probably what scares me. What is your favorite holiday? I don't know if I have a favorite holiday. I would have to say holidays are my favorite in the winter when I travel away to summer. That's my favorite. My guilty pleasure, I have lots of those. I have lots of guilty pleasures. I would say one of my guilty pleasures is when I can, by myself, grab my purse and my journal bag and, go to one of my favorite spots and sit, have coffee, have toast and jam or something, and journal for an hour or two. That would be my guilty pleasure, because when I get back, I'm like, I feel bad I went that and then I didn't do this, and so it's like a guilty pleasure, I guess. Which is your favorite show to binge watch? I don't watch a lot of TV. I do watch some series, like if we're bunkered down and in the winter when we're hibernating, and my husband and I will watch like reality outdoor shows like Mountain Men and the ones about Alaska and stuff like that. I guess outdoor type things. Although I'm not like a winter outdoor lover, but I like watching it. Okay, what am I now? Watch 15. What is the one thing you can't leave the house without? I think that's what they meant. I would say a notebook. I know I have my phone to jot, but I have to have a sketchbook or a notebook or a journal and a pen. I always have that with me. 16. Are you a morning person or a night owl? Well, I used to be a night owl, but since my 40s, I've become a morning person. So I guess it's an old person thing. What is your favorite genre of movies? I like when you have. I like suspense thrillers, I guess. And I don't watch. I'd say documentaries. I like documentaries. And I do like during the Christmas season how the Women's Channel has, Christmas Hallmark shows. I like those. Okay, what is the last thing you bought? Well, the last thing I bought was my coffee and my bagel to eat at work. That was the last thing I bought. 19. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I think my job forces me to be an extrovert, so I'm comfortable around people, lots of people all the time in my past career, in this career, in my semi-retirement career now. And, I have to speak in front of people and things, but I think really I'm an introvert. I think I'm an introvert with extrovert tendencies, maybe. Because I'd always rather be in a small group than a large group. What is your favorite book? I read a lot, so it's hard for one book. So one of my favorite authors is Malcolm Gladwell, and his book David and Goliath was really, really good. I like that. I like memoirs a lot. I don't read romance fiction. Maybe if I'm on the beach I might, but I can't possibly pick just one. And is that the last one? Yeah, that's the last one. Okay, so I'm supposed to tag some people. So a bunch of yous already tagged a lot of people, so sorry if I'm repeating them. I'm tagging Jeanne from On the Hook Crochet, Kalisha from Quirky Monday, Seta from Seta's Place, Z from Zelda NRJ3, I think someone already tagged her actually, Kim from Kim's Crochet, Kim Louise at Sunburst Crochet, and Hannah at the Cozy Cottage Crochet. So I'm looking forward to listening. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.